Today I'm gonna be going over the new volcano update and ignore that stalker. It has this badge right here. Ah! Anyway, some of the cosmetics are this right here. Oh, no, this right here. This. Oh. The textures move on the inside and on the outside a bit. We have this right here. We have this slingshot. This parrot. And this spicy chip pepper. Now, show me your set of cosmetics. There's that, the hair, and the shell, which if you put up to your ear, you can hear some lava bubbling. Then there's, you don't have to unequip the cosmetics, you know. There's also a hammer and a ring. Hit the mirror. Wait, makes that little particle effect. We have this fan. Also moves. Then what else? That mug. Okay, is there any other things? No?
No.
Okay. Come on. Now time to check out forest. There's a giant volcano in forest and a small volcano in forest. If we go down here, grab a few rocks.
Let's put rocks in it.
There's a little floor is lava. And the floor is literally lava. Come over to the beach now.
I'm coming.
For the lava reaches. And we'll come back to the lava in a bit. But we become pink over in beach. And the water becomes pink. And then red. And then we become blue. I don't know if this is a glitch or not. But yeah. We become blue and pink. And same with the water. And anyway, let's head on over back to forest just to show you guys the actual floor's lava part.
No.
Ah, I'm stuck. I'm not good at swimming in really fast. Give me a sec. It's not, the stupid controllers aren't letting me go over where I want to. Okay, fine. There you are. And over in forest, we have the lava. Let's go swimming. This looks like a nice, lovely swim. And in public lobbies and infection lobbies, it also turns you into a lava monkey. So in public lobbies, don't touch the lava, like we just did. We don't have enough people. We don't have enough people to start an infection lobby. So, and just try and branch or fall. But anyway, that was the update. And that was the update. And I Love Wolf, you got anything to say?
Yeah.
What?
Bye. Have a great night.
Yeah. Oh, also it makes your graphics like look good when you're near the lava. Like come over, yeah, see, like that. Look at me from the, wait, go back up there. But yeah, it makes it makes you look very shiny to other people. Anyway, bye.
Look shiny.